Hello, friends. Welcome to the today's edition of the T20 analysis. So this is a new series which I am starting, wherein I'll be just discussing some stocks quickly with charts and fundamentals, just to share the ideas that can help you to go ahead and make good money in the market. So there is a quick check that I have got today on Dr. Reddy's. So we will go through that. We start with my clear-cut declaration that I'm not a Sebi registered analyst. So in case you have any ideas or any plans to subscribe to my studies, make sure that you get in touch with your advisor and take a formal decision to make sure that you are running safe in the market. Still on my side, I've done the best of my analysis that I could do to ensure that you are still on a safe zone with a high probability setup. So let's quickly look at the technicals of the chart. So this is Dr. Reddy's chart on the weekly time frame. The best thing I'm observing here is the price action that is heating up. So if you see, the best part in this setup is this is an ascending triangle setup. We can also call it as the volatility contraction. So over here, the stock is consolidating for 1 full year. That's a considerable amount of time. And the people's interest in the stock is increasing because you can see in the price action, the stock is actually making higher and higher bottoms. You can see over here, the bottoms are just rising and pushing everything towards the resistance. Now, two things you can observe here. The similar efforts were made earlier in July as well as in the month of November. So those attempts have failed. So what we need to do here is definitely watch when the stock would close, give a typical weekly close above 4,600. That will be really reassuring. Or even on the daily chart, if you see the stock is crossing 4,600, start preparing yourself for partial entries and then plan it the way you would like to go ahead with. As far as the stop loss goes, my plan is that I would limit it to the current bottom that I see here of 4,200. So you have a stop loss which is running of around 10%. Yeah, 10% stop loss, and setup is looking pretty good for firing up to the next resistance first to 5,000, which would be around some 10%. And beyond that, you can see it rising and attempting the all-time high of 5,600. As far as the pharma sector goes, it was getting positive yesterday, but in today's price action, it has taken a beating and getting into a bit of a negative territory. So that's the technical chart. When I look at the fundamentals, the results are already done away with. So there is no result overhang to bother us. The good things that I see over here is the stocks P by E is looking pretty healthy. And then also the ROE is pretty good. Debt situation is very clean, no pledging. And overall, the profit growth is also looking very, very strong. If I look at quarterly results, the quarterly results have been an improvement over the previous quarter, as well as a big improvement over the YOY quarter. So this is how the techno funda of Dr. Reddy's are looking pretty attractive to me, and this idea can be studied further for you to take action. In case you have any questions, feel free to drop by and check out with me at my Twitter handle, as well as go through the notes shared in the video's comment. That would help me to get in touch with you, as well as thank you for a quick click, and have a great evening and prosper as always. Thank you. Bye bye.